Direct mail advertised marketing is your choice. Direct mail marketing is a system of marketing that is directed at specific people. In direct marketing, the advertisement is directed to a particular individual. One benefit of direct marketing is that you can determine your success. If you send out direct marketing products to 100 people and 50 respond, you can simply how well your marketing has worked. There are a couple of things to safeguard your businesses from when it comes to direct marketing. For one thing, numerous individuals dislike to get junk mail. There are even laws and guidelines managing marketing techniques that utilize the usage of spam or spam-like marketing. Should you invest an advertising budget plan in direct marketing? It is quite required for most parts to consider the use of this type of marketing, and despite the inconvenience, it is one of the most helpful ways to market. There are also numerous detailed websites now committed to the subject, and we suggest checking out in all one of these. Try Googling for direct mail marketing, and you will be shocked by the abundance of details on the topic. Additionally, you might attempt looking on Yahoo, MSN, or even decent directory websites. All are excellent sources of this information. Direct mail marketing is a system of marketing that is directed at particular individuals. In direct marketing, the advertisement is directed to a specific individual. If you send out direct marketing material to 100 people and 50 respond, you can just see how well your marketing has actually worked. As I have said, there are even guidelines and laws managing marketing methods that employ the usage of spam or spam-like marketing. I hope some of this has given you an idea. I must at this time apologise for my voice. I don't know what I've got. Over the last 2 days, my throat got sore and now I can't talk. Well, I can talk, but I talk with a squeak. Perhaps I'm changing gender, I don't know. Hope not. Anyway, this is what you can do with marketing. If you want to learn more things, I have a YouTube channel which has now got 340 videos, and it's at YouTube at Ian Jackson 1366. That's YouTube at Ian Jackson 1366. Underneath this video there's a like button. I think it's a thumb up you can press on. Press on there and like and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you want more videos, if you click the bell up the top and press all, YouTube will let you know when I put another video up. Underneath my video there are a lot of links. Some of these are tools that I have purchased, some are programs I joined. I don't use all of the programs now, as I've been going for a long time, but I put the ones I liked underneath the video, the tools I use right up to this day. So if you like anything, if you join a program or purchase a tool, they're all affiliated links. I don't own any of the programs. I will get paid a small commission. Whilst I'm on about these programs, there is one that I really do push all the time because it's helped me so much and saved so much time. It's a program called Spin Rewriter. I was using this for the last 6 years or so when I had an email come to say they'd done a lifetime membership and would I like to join. So I obviously did because I liked it, and it cost me at 195 or 197, one of the two. And now I'm very, very glad I did, because with the lifetime membership they have a panel within the site that you put your keywords in that you want to use, and they will send you within 4 to 5 hours 50 scripts that you can use. It saved me so much time. I'm glad I joined it. So that is Spin Rewriter. Program well worth joining. The other thing I would like to say is please, whatever you do, whatever you want to start on the internet, always do the research. There are so many scams out there. No, I don't want you getting caught on a scam. There's nothing worse than working your butt off for a week, expecting to get commissions or get paid, and you get nothing. They've pinched your money. So make sure you do your due diligence. Go to Google, put in what you want to join, and also YouTube, put in how to on YouTube and whatever you want. They come up with lots and lots of things for you. YouTube I like because it's videos, whereas Google you got to read it all, or you get descriptions, yes, and what drawings and stuff. But with YouTube, it's usually somebody showing you what to do, and you can follow it so easy. So please don't forget, press the like button below. Please subscribe to my channel, and I hope you have success on the internet. Thank you for watching. Hope to see, well, not see, hope you come back soon. Cheerio from Ian Jackson.